Keyboard shortcuts are specific to each editor emulation mode. Pay attention that changing shortcuts in one mode will not be reflected in others. By default, DVT starts in the Eclipse emulation mode. This is a Windows or Word-like shortcut scheme. Ctrl-S to save, Ctrl-C to copy, and so on. Depending on your preferred editor, you may choose VI or Emacs, using the drop-down menu from the main toolbar. To quickly see the keyboard shortcuts, go to Help, Show Active Key Bindings, or press Shift-Ctrl-L. To customize the keyboard shortcuts, go to Window, Preferences, and search for Keys. Alternatively, you can press Shift-Ctrl-L twice to open the same preference page. Here you see a detailed list of all available commands and their shortcuts. Use the quick search bar to filter the list by command name or by keyboard shortcut. Notice that the same shortcut can be used for multiple commands in different contexts. To change a keyboard shortcut, first select the command, click in the binding text box. Use backspace to clear the old shortcut and type in the new key combination. The letter U from User Defined indicates a changed shortcut. The letter C from Conflict indicates a duplicate shortcut in the same context. You can delete a shortcut using the Unbind button, for example to free up a key combination or to resolve a conflict. You can restore all the keyboard shortcuts to their defaults.